dynamic is a little. It's
Fluid.
fascinating. It's fascinating. It's like a soap opera.
Yeah.
Do they see us as a threat? Like, are they wanting us?
No, they don't see us as a threat.
In terms of mating.
No, they will
He's
know.
mating. They're mating
Yes.
there. And so is he the dominant male there?
Yeah. No, not necessarily. I don't know, but it seems like maybe the dominant male is that one that is on the right.
Yeah.
But that guy, or might be like two harems that were kind of contiguous. Now they're kind of